Oh, maybe he could, no, you need to get the overhead door people or whatever it is to fix your door. Garage door, maybe they can do that too. You know something? She's sitting here rubbing herself.
I know.
Against my shoes.
And then once I get the stupid garage cleared out, I'm going to fix the stupid garage door.
Oh yeah. All right. You have to hold it, I think.
No.
At last. Look at that.
No, I have to hold it. It's my garage.
Oh, I know, but I mean that cat. That's what I'm saying.
Catching on the
Look,
trash can.
look at that. She's just into my shoes and just rubbing herself.
These two little things, is this enough?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
She wants to smell something. Yeah, okay.
And I don't know why they always have to rub on the chin.
And that's what dogs do when they get poop or something. They rub it on their neck.